The first beta build of One UI 7.0 could be launched any day now. In preparation, updated versions of Samsung's stock apps with redesigned features have started to surface. The latest app to be leaked is Samsung Find, showcasing a revamped app icon and enhanced UI design. Gerwin van Giessen, Gerwin v Giessen 1, spotted the new version of the Samsung Find app. The updated app icon, pictured alongside the current version, features a sleeker, tinted appearance with a sharper location pin and a circular base, replacing the pie-shaped design seen in One UI 6.1. The leaked screenshots also reveal the new navigation bar design that Samsung plans to integrate across its stock apps and throughout One UI 7.0. Additionally, users on X noticed a slide transition effect, swipe animation, when navigating between pages in the Samsung Find app. Similar design updates have been seen in other leaked apps, including the calculator and clock, which share a cohesive look and feel in line with One UI 7.0's refreshed UI. The One UI 7 clock app, initially leaked in July, has evolved from featuring solely visual updates to introducing new functionalities that simplify alarm management. The updated version now includes a universal volume control enabled by default, allowing users to adjust the volume for all alarms using a single slider. Another significant addition is the ability to create alarm groups, enabling multiple alarms to be turned on or off simultaneously. However, adding existing alarms to groups isn't supported yet. Users must create new alarms within the group's settings, likely due to this being a leaked, non-final version of the app. Additionally, the app has stability issues, such as crashing when accessing the alarm background settings, possibly due to compatibility problems on One UI 6 devices. Visually, the clock app now features icons for each tab: clock, world clock, timer, and stopwatch, alongside updated alarm backgrounds and redesigned fonts. The home screen widgets have also been revamped, and the app's icon has a fresh look. These aesthetic changes, combined with the new features, hint at Samsung's efforts to enhance both functionality and design in the upcoming One UI 7 experience. In the final week of November, several Samsung apps from the upcoming Android 15-based One UI 7.0 update have been leaked online. Users with Galaxy smartphones running One UI 6 can now try these updated apps, including the recently available Samsung Calculator app. A side-by-side comparison of the One UI 6 left and One UI 7 right versions is shown in the video. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice that the numbers, symbols, and text appear larger in the new version, but that's the extent of the changes. While this may not be the app's final version, significant changes are unlikely as development on One UI 7 progresses. Samsung teases One UI 7 exciting features and refined design revealed. This teaser video offers a captivating preview of the upcoming software, set to elevate the Galaxy experience. The introduction highlights One UI 7's meticulous design, focused on delivering a refined and visually appealing aesthetic to Galaxy devices. A standout feature is the integration of Galaxy AI, which plays a crucial role in enhancing user interactions. The teaser also confirms that many previously leaked features will be included in the official release. One of the most talked about features is Portrait Studio, powered by Galaxy AI. Samsung has significantly enhanced this functionality, positioning it as a formidable competitor to Apple's popular Intelligent Generation feature. This update promises to bring a new level of creativity and personalization to Galaxy users. Dynamic widgets are another exciting addition in One UI 7. Designed to adapt across various screen types, these sleek widgets were previewed on the Galaxy Z Flip 6's home screen. They seamlessly adjust to any display, giving the home screen a clean, modern, and polished appearance. The lock screen experience is also getting a major overhaul with a new live activity feature, internally dubbed No Bar. This interactive element supports apps and services that provide real-time updates. Unlike static designs, the No Bar is dynamic and expands into a detailed interface when tapped, blending style with functionality. With its transformative features and design enhancements, One UI 7 is shaping up to be a game changer. This teaser only heightens the anticipation for the beta release. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting software. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.